Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So in previous videos we talked about function interfaces, lambda expressions, and even we managed to write some codes. So what we understood that if you have a lambda expression, you can actually get rid of that extra class we are creating. In cricket tester, we had this class, right? Cricket class, which gives the implementation. Let's take this out from here. So what we did for cricket class, we added this a class, and in tester we call this implementation, right? And then we were able to call the implementation. We're just trying to understand what just happened and what it's do. Just do a revision. Okay, and this was cricket class, and to counter that we just created this thing. So we actually reduce this whole class and it's calling to this one line, and then calling play method from the reference of interface. It's just a calling. We are not giving any or creating any object of it. It's just a reference. Okay, same thing we did here. We created one interface, that function interface, and then later we created addition class. So copy this, and then addition tester. We managed to create object of addition class, and then called its add method. Or what you can do, simply creates its lambda expression like we did here, then called is add method. So what we were doing, we actually reduced this whole class implementation and its calling in max two lines, or even yeah, just two lines, because I have added that extra curly braces. This is just one statement. Even we don't need this curly braces, right? If I go back to this cricket tester, this is extra. It's just a one statement, so I can get rid of this extra code just like this way. So in one line, we actually reduce this whole thing, right? So think how big and powerful the lambda expression is. It actually reduced that code to one line. No more class required, and you can do this in one line. So that's how lambda expression works with function interfaces. So this is just overview how function interface works. And if you have some more doubt, you can feel free to write some comment to me. I'll definitely reply there. And in next video, we will start working some pre-built or inbuilt function interfaces, because we have to understand them how it works. So we'll use some lambda expressions on inbuilt function interfaces. So stay tuned in. We will see some more interesting concept in next upcoming videos. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Let's meet next. Bye bye.